Hello and welcome to our next innovaphone myApps tutorial. In today's video, we would like to introduce the Conference app. We will show you how to join a virtual myApps meeting, how to plan a meeting, and how to invite external participants. The very first step to hold a myApps meeting is to set up a conference room. The administrator will take care of this via the PBX manager. Once the conference room has been set up, it will appear as a conference app. The administrator will determine the users that shall have access to this conference app. The conference app is used to manage the conference room. By clicking onto the button at the bottom right corner, you will be able to view all apps that have been made available by the administrator. This also includes the conference rooms with the corresponding apps. If you click onto the house symbol next to the conference room, you can add the conference room directly to your home screen, or open the app by clicking onto the icon. Use the Conference app to call into a conference and to enter the myApps meeting room. Depending on the default app that you selected for phone calls within myApps, either the phone app, the softphone app, or the RCC app will be accessed. These telephony apps also provide a search field where you can either enter the room name or the extension number and dial into the myApps meeting room directly. Click on the handset symbol to enter the virtual myApps meeting. The number displayed next to the handset symbol is the extension number for this meeting. This allows internal and external users to dial into the meeting using any telephone. The number of participants and the number of reserved channels for the respective meeting room is displayed within the app. You can also see the current number of participants at the icon of the respective conference app. It is displayed in form of a badge count. The myApps meeting room can be enabled and disabled for external users. Below, you will see the automatically generated share link. With this link, external users can be invited to join the online meeting via their web browser. You can either copy this link and pass it on, or you can generate an invitation to the meeting directly within the Conference app. This invitation is either sent via email or in form of a calendar entry. When setting up a myApps meeting, you can plan a specified date and time slot, as well as the number of participants. You have three options to invite internal and external participants to this meeting. You can either create a link and send out this link as you please, or you can create an invitation via email or calendar entry. Planned meetings are hosted in automatically generated breakout rooms. This means that the actual myApps meeting room can still be used for a spontaneous meeting. External users will receive the share link with the invitation to the virtual myApps meeting. Once you open the link, you will see the number of participants present in the meeting room. Select your video, microphone, and loudspeaker devices, and, if desired, test your devices with the test button at the top right corner of your video image. Enter your name and then click on Enter Conference to join the myApps meeting. Within the Conference app, click on the button Show Meetings to view a listing of all scheduled and temporary meetings. You can click on a meeting to get to the online meeting room and dial into the meeting by clicking on the handset symbol. To avoid unauthorized access, you can create a PIN for the myApps meeting room. This PIN will be required when dialing into the room. If no PIN is entered in the provided field, also external users will be able to join the meeting without restrictions. Below, all participants of the myApps meeting are listed. The person currently speaking is highlighted in a colored frame and the status is indicated with Speaking. Every participant can be muted via the microphone symbol that is crossed out. No more sound will be transmitted from this participant. This can always be changed again. One exclusive speaker can be selected via the loudspeaker symbol. All other participants will then be muted so that only this exclusive speaker will be audible. Individual participants can be unmuted again. The X will end the call of the respective participant. Participants who use end devices supporting video and application sharing can also use these functions via the phone app or softphone app and the web browser for a virtual myApps meeting. We will show you how to use the phone app and softphone app in separate myApps tutorials. Simply visit our website, YouTube channel, or go to our tutorials app directly within myApps. Many thanks for watching and see you again next time.